Welcome to Advanced Legal Resolutions. We have a commitment and dedication to legal excellence. Your legal representation will start with your retainer agreement. It is extremely important that you review this because it will outline the services and how the law firm works. Most importantly, the financial arrangement that we have in order to effectively represent you. Commencing legal services begins with your trust account deposit. That is your down payment. This is very similar to a bank account balance. We will be deducting monies from your trust account balance as we perform work on your case. We strive to keep all of our cases under that retainer amount. Therefore, many of our clients receive a refund on their retainer or their down payment. In the event that your services and the scope of your work exceeds the cost of your retainer, we will ask that you make payments towards that amount. Therefore, your cost of your legal services can go up or down based on the complexity of the case and the time that's required to finish your services. Unfortunately, the duration of your case depends a lot upon the reasonableness of the opposing party. In the event that your case is unable to settle with the opposing party, we will need to go to court. Preparation is key. If we are going to take your case in front of the judge, we are going to be extremely prepared with documentation, pictures, even text messages are excellent evidence to prove your case to the judge. You will receive an appointment called a hearing prep. During that hearing prep appointment, we will do role playing to ensure that you know exactly what to say if you're called to the stand to testify at court. We will also be preparing your witnesses to testify at court, and being prepared is the key to be successful. Once you pay your trust deposit, our staff will be calling you for an intake appointment. This is where we will gather all the information of your case and put together a case strategy. The two types of payments to our law firm are a funds request and an invoice. We offer open and transparent billing in our itemized invoices to help you understand exactly what you're getting when you hire our law firm. Many law firms see their clients as a source of revenue and cash. Our law firm is different because we try and bring down conflict and settle cases so they don't have to expend the large resources that it costs to litigate a case. It's extremely important that you review your invoices and your trust account balance. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to contact our office and have your itemized breakdown explained to you so you can feel confident that we're working extremely hard to ensure that your trust account is spent in the most efficient manner possible. The other types of payment at our law firm is called a funds request. Those funds requests are deposited back into your trust account to ensure that you have funds in your account to continue the work that is done on your case. There are times when your invoice will exceed your trust account deposit. When that occurs, we will be requesting that you deposit money back into your trust account, which contains your trust account deposit. Those emails that you will receive will be a link to pay called a funds request. That will not be itemized because that will be an amount of money that is required to go back into your trust account to continue legal services. When your trust account becomes negative or overdrafted, we do not want to place our clients in a financial hardship. Therefore, we will put your case on hold until you have the funds to place back into your trust account. We ask all of our clients to keep a minimum balance of $700 in their account so we can always stay ahead of your case and charge our legal services from your trust account. We use a portal called mycase.com. That's where your electronic files will live. You can access this at any time, and you can also communicate with us. You will also take all those electronic files with you once your case is completed. Other than your initial retainer agreement, we do not offer paper copies. Of course, we can make copies for you and mail copies for you upon request and charge. We do charge for all client communications, which comes as a surprise to many of our clients. But client communications is at the core of everything we do. We communicate with the court, we communicate with opposing parties, and we communicate with you to keep you aware and apprised of all of the activity in your case. Without communication, we would not be able to serve you effectively and efficiently. Therefore, a good tip to remember is to ask all of your questions at once and try and limit your communications as an as-needed basis. Sometimes no news is good news. As the law firm, if we have a message for you or we need information, we will be reaching out to you. We honor that dedication and that investment that you're putting your faith in our law firm to handle your case as efficiently, effectively, and peacefully as possible. You can call and text our office at any time, and we will ensure that you have a timely response to your question. Communication is key at our law firm, and we ensure that each and every one of our clients gets the best communication possible on their case.